In the first breath of the world, when darkness swallowed all, a spark of dawn shaped the sunbird, guardian of the newborn light.
With a single beat of radiant wings, the sunbird carved rivers through emptiness and awakened life where none had been.
But where light is born, shadow follows. From the last cradle of darkness rose a force, seeking to swallow the dawn.
In a storm of fire and shadow, the sunbird fought to guard the world's first dawn, shaping the fate of all days to come.
And thus, from the victory of light, the sunbird soared into eternity, ensuring the sun would rise every day for all ages.